In this video, I'm going to talk about how we can create almost exact signature that we used to draw in paper in Microsoft Word with a transparent background such that we can use it anywhere. And in this process, our first step is to write down your signature or create your signature. And there are multiple ways to do that. And let's start with the traditional way. So for that, first of all, what we need to do is you need to grab a white paper, preferably without any rule, and simply take a photo of it. The photo should be clear enough so that your signature looks clean, and then simply send it or upload it in your system. So here is one such signature. I simply upload it to my system, and of course we will see how we're gonna make it transparent. But before that, I'm just going to explain you all the different methods by the help of whom you can bring your signature. The second method could be if you have an iPad or Apple Pencil or any drawing tablet. From there also, instead of writing in paper, you can directly write in your screen and then you can send it to your system. Now there is one very interesting website that I'm gonna show you here real quick, which is onlinesignature.com, where you can go and simply draw your signature. And the good thing about this is you can simply click here on save, and this signature will be saved when you click here on download. Now if you open it, you will be surprised that not only you captured it in highest detail, but at the same time it is already transparent. So if you are using, let's say, pen tab, I would say you may able to create your exact signature. Or even, for example, here what I did is I tried to use mouse to generate this, and if you are satisfied even with mouse, then it's the shortest path forward. All right, now what I'm gonna do next here is in this particular case where we generated through online signature, I can simply go here in Microsoft Word, and maybe I'm gonna open, let's say, this kind of document. Now I will be simply pasting my signature here. Now here we have multiple options, and I'm gonna choose the option which says behind the text, and that's how, guys, we can easily add our signature here without any problem. Now let's say if you want to save this signature permanently, you can simply click on it. You need to click here on insert and then look for quick parts. Now select this auto text and then save selection to auto text gallery. Now you can give it a name. I'm gonna say sign, and then I'm going to press OK. Now let's say I also want to use the signature in other Word document, and I can simply go to that Word document. Then if I again go here in insert, quick parts, and then here I do have got this sign available, which then I can place it anywhere. All right, so in this way, guys, we can quickly place it. Now coming back to our another method where we took signatures traditionally. And there we have it. Let's simply copy it and let's simply insert it here. Now what I'm going to do here inside Microsoft Word is I'm going to look for this remove background. Now once you see here, you can simply mark the area which you would like to remove, and sometime you may require to do this kind of thing manually. And now if I click on keep changes, here you can see how this signature look like. So what generally happens sometime, it is not the best way. Sometime we will able to keep it, other time we may face some issue. Therefore in such scenario, what we can do is we can take help from other websites. So let's try other method, because this particular method is not working for me. Now here what I'm gonna do is I will open it, and now I'm gonna click on edit. Now I will click here on background remove, and in single click I was able to remove the background. Now let me click here on save a copy, and now I will be saving my sign maybe in my desktop. Now let me close this, and again let's go back here in Microsoft Word, and now I'm gonna click here on insert picture, this device, and then I will be choosing my signature, which is this one. And here you go. Again, I'm gonna reduce the size of it, and let me delete the earlier signature that we created. And now let's have this newer one. Now again, I can click here on this image and select this option which says behind text. Or let's say if you do not want to keep it behind, you can also select this option which says in front of text. So in this way, guys, we just saw 3 different methods to create signature, a free way to make it transparent, and how we can, save it permanently and can call it whenever we need it. So that's all, guys, in this video. Hope you find this helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such office productivity content. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.